Hello, friends. Just a few days ago, I was reflecting upon my professional life about 30, more than 35 years. And I found it is really mean that what I've done this thing. So as I look back, I saw that there were three important events that has changed my life considerably. I am Sudhir Mahale, and I will be sharing now my journey, professional journey plus the 35 years with you. I hope it will inspire you also, that those who are starting their career or junior or maybe some seniors also. I don't know. And some people, some seniors or some juniors also, they will have more fascinating and I request you to share one or two people also to share your story in comments below, or you can share it separately also, and which will inspire more people. And like this, we can help or other places also. So stick around as at the end, because as you when you leave this video, you will be going with some lessons which will make impact or we could change your life about and your perception about growth, resilience, and uh, making an impact in your field. So to begin with, I first started with my journey about as soon as I've cleared my, means given my exam, and when I was waiting for the SSC results, I thought that wasting these 3 months or 4 months that I get as a gap before results, I will work as a uh, pro- productively as a machinist, because I have passed in with the technical subject, so it was very easy for me to get a job in any small scale industry. And that's I got about job as a apprentice in one small company, and I was enjoying that life. Uh, but some incidents happen that also uh, turn my means concept about career development, because one day there was some problem in the factory, and a lot of material got rejected. So I have given some suggestion that solved a major problem. Uh, but the owner thought that as apprentice I am able to solve such problem, then definitely I will be having good career. Of course, I was intending to do engineering, but this incidents and owners backing, got a I got a purpose for appearing for engineering or taking engineering as a badge. So, uh, unlike other people, okay, I got more the mark in enter science, and I can uh, go to how much mark and apply for admission, and as per my merit, I will get admission. But this time, I was very focused. I must apply, get admission in engineering, and for that purpose, I have worked on that, and I could get very high rank, and I could get the admission in mechanical engineering at a prestigious college at that time, and I continued my studies. So, and after completing the engineering, I started working in various three, four companies, and finally I got admission in one large organization where I continued. about more than 35 years. So in that process, I have started my career as a problem solving of machining process errors and improving the machining capability about machine welding or other manufacturing processes. So during that time, I also worked on assembly line and developed some process planning sheets and released that. And because of that, I got a thorough knowledge of the product. So, so then, when time came in 1991 or 92, when Nasir Rao and other government opened the economy and it was removed some earlier restriction of preventing companies from uh, increasing their capacity. So then suddenly demand started increasing, and our company started thinking of making new products to enter into new markets. So as I was having a thorough knowledge because I process every component, I process assemblies also. So I got a thorough knowledge about the product. So I was definitely means first choice to select as a new product development. So that way my journey started as a product development. With that journey, I have solved many uh, problems about the field quality and uh, other systems. I have developed some one project I have worked on strategic sourcing or developing system. So that way I was moving forwards and I developed an improve the quality of life and l- service life of our component. And then after separating from the company, and as I thinking, but what I should do next, then I thought that while working, I have interviewed many people for vacancies in our company. So there I have found that it is very difficult to get candidates who knows some basic skills. And if that is the position in such a prestigious institute, then definitely what will happen to the other students who are just past 12 but they don't find any productive jobs, or those who are so graduated in the non-STEM type of subjects, that is art, science, and other things. That I thought that I should do something about that. And then after thinking and researching, I found some franchisee offer, and I've taken that franchisee of opening starting a business of coaching students in graphic design and animation, 3D design, filmmaking, uh, special effects, and then also programming, special switching languages like Python and also hardware networking. So we could place many people in our students in prestigious uh, companies who are dealing with all this design and other features. And that way, I have run this institute for successfully for 10 long years. And after that, because of COVID, I have to sell off everything and dispose of and stop the institute because people are not coming and nobody is able to. I was not able to maintain that by paying rents and then bills, and so immediately we have decided to wind up and close it properly. So that's why my third uh, incident at over. Now I'm uh, coaching and guiding engineers, mentoring engineers for getting good career and progress and master the problem solving skill, because I have observed that in the engineering, engineers are supposed to be world problem solver. So actually, uh, the problem solving skill is a superpower for engineers. All other skills are secondary. But problem solving is the main, and people, and in today's condition where government is looking for self-reliance and trying to become a manufacturing hub world, I think manufacturing industry will get more boost now, and they cannot operate at a previous method, that is recruiting. Who knows somebody and someone is someone, like that recruitment will stop. And those who are really merited, uh, they have got a very bright future in coming years. So that's why I'm coaching these fresh graduates or some experience also, so that they will have a very good future and long career. So with that, so if you ever like this video, please like my video and share it with someone whom you think that they will also should listen to this, and also help me to increase my reach to other students who are looking for some outlook of their skills and how to build their career. So with that, and also I am giving some link on Calendly, and you can book my time for 30 minutes one-to-one discussion or guidance on your career or what are your problems and what you are looking for, and I can guide to some extent. Uh, this is a free service, so you need not worry about any cost, and so you can link. I have given link in the description, so you can click that and uh, book my time, so that I can arrange everybody's discussion in a proper way upon your availability. My availability is given in the calendar, so that way we can share our time and uh, discuss your further course or some guidance or direction for your career. So thank you very much for listening up to the end. Uh, I wish you a good career ahead. Thanks a lot.